Hi friends, today what we have is a black Creta. The customer before buying the car approached us and he want to get the work done only at RS CAR Modifiers. Today we have this Creta which we have done a complete base to top end. What is a complete base to top end? Is basically changing most of the things which is not available in your base version and converting that into a top end. So in this vehicle we have done a lot of things. Let us go one by one and let me show what we have done in this car. In the front side, what we have changed is the most important thing which is missing in the base version is the headlights. We have changed the low beam as well as high beam from Ozum 150 watts, going to give a good clarity as well as throw when you are going to drive on the roads. We have also changed the original DRLs of this car. You get a dummy plastic piece in this car. We have changed it to the original DRL, as well as we have used a complete coupler to coupler kind of a fitting. Coming to the inside, what we have changed is the 12.33, the most advanced system of 360 compatible hypersonic which we have installed into the car. You can see the quality, the touch and the finish of this product is actually fabulous. This hypersonic system also comes with an interface looks similar to your original top end system as well. We are also added a steering control which we are going to use it when you want to volume it down or volume down and you want to change any songs can be changed, as well as we have installed the cruise control. What we have done inside is an Audition speaker which is 165X Pro, comes with a tweeter, a mid bass and a crossover, as well as we have also done a coaxial speaker on the back side. The complete vehicle we have done a complete full floor mat. To have a better sounding system in the car, we have also installed 2 layers of damping from Morel for the inner layer as well as the outer layer. The external accessories what we have added is a window garnish, a door visor as well as the roof rails. We have completely set up the entire system from a base to top end. If you are having a Creta or any other car and want to convert from a base to top end, you can visit RS CAR Modifiers and get it installed at RS CAR Modifiers.